Good morning. This is something the Red Cross does every single day is helps out people who are facing tragedy and disaster. We're here in Luther at one of the community centers. I'm with a lovely volunteer, Amber Loberg, who came out here on Friday, and I'm talking to her because I want you guys to really get an idea of what volunteers do and how they're really having an impact. So Amber, let's start specifically here in Luther. How did you respond? How did that work? And when did you get here? What are you doing?
All right. So when the fires were coming in, they knew that there was going to be a need. So they just started getting people on call, ready to go. So by Friday, I think around like 3 or 4, we were here at the Luther Community Building, ready to set up a shelter. They bring the trailer in, and we are here to just meet immediate needs. So you can stay here. You can come. We have food, just food, shelter, just the basics. So you can come here and get snacks, water. You can spend the night. And then they have meals, 3 meals a day. So people who need to come by, just, maybe have a place to stay but need to come get food can come here to get food.
It's such an amazing resource, I would imagine, because it just gives people a space where they can regroup. And you had several people staying the night here.
Yes. So, many people can go to friends and family, but there are definitely a lot of people when a disaster hits this fast that, they really don't know what to do, don't have anywhere to go. And so it's just a place where they can come and, a lot of times they've lost medication. They have just really the clothes on their back. So it's just it really has been a place for them to come and be safe and warm and get the things that they need.
Amber, thank you for all that you do. We're almost out of time. I want you guys to know that if you're interested in donating, you can head to redcross.org/KOCO. There's also a QR code up on your screen. This is just an example. When you give to the Red Cross, you know your money is going to the right people, a good place where a difference can be made. So, Amber, thank you for your time. You guys, I'm Jordan Ryan for KOCO 5 News.